Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're still looking for that last minute simple Valentine's Day mani and have some jelly polishes laying around, grab your jelly polishes and we're going to create a really simple Valentine's Day mani with kind of like a peekaboo style kind of heart. Jelly polishes are so fun, and we're also going to use fluffy clouds. We're going to start today with jelly jam. Jelly jam is super fun. And this color right here also definitely reminds me of grape jelly. I love jelly polishes. They're super fun. You can do a lot of different things with them. Not only are they great for like one color full coverage, but they're just super fun. All right, so you can see here we applied a layer of that jelly polish to the nail. While that's curing, we're going to get that fluffy clouds here ready. We're going to do some nail art with this, and we're going to use a dotting tool. I'm going to start off with the bigger ball on that dotting tool first to create some hearts. And I like to do hearts with the dotting tool. If you want to use a dotting tool and then use a nail art brush to like drag the sides down to create the heart, you can definitely do that as well. I just feel like for me personally, the dotting tool is way easier for me. I am also going to cure as we go I'm just going to flash it really quick for a quick 10 seconds. And then once we have all the hearts on there, I will go ahead and then cure for a full 30 seconds. I like to cure as I go or flash cure, I should say, because just in case you mess up, you can simply wipe away that heart that you messed up on. Also, it will help keep that heart exactly how you have it. So then I cured for 30 seconds, and then we're going to go in with another layer of that jelly polish. And you can see here, it's already giving it a really cool effect, kind of like a peekaboo effect. And you can see those hearts kind of just coming through. It's really cool, and I really like this effect, but we're gonna build it up even more. So we cured for 30 seconds that next layer of jelly polish. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep adding some hearts to this nail. This time I'm gonna focus on areas that have like a blank space still and that do not have hearts on it, because you still want the other hearts that we applied originally to show through. We're giving it more dimension by adding hearts, and also we are going to give it more of a peekaboo effect the more hearts that you add. And you want to make sure that you're not covering up the hearts that you already put. Otherwise, it's not going to look like hearts. It's going to look kind of like blobs on the nail, if that makes sense. All right, so we're just finishing up here. And now I switch sizes for that dotting tool. I'm using a smaller dotting tool now just to create some smaller hearts on there. And then we're just going to add a few more just right here. But you could add as many hearts as you want. You could do a few big ones and then do the jelly polish over them, or you could do a whole bunch of small ones. So now that I cured that white fluffy clouds, the hearts for 30 seconds, we're going in with another layer of that jelly polish here, and then we're going to cure for 30 seconds, and you can already see the transformation here. It's just overall so fun. You can see the hearts that we did originally are now a little bit darker than the hearts that we did just now. So you're getting a lot of different like depth with this mani as well. So now I'm just going to add just a few more tiny hearts on here, like the tiniest hearts ever, just to kind of tie it just some more in. I just had a little bit more bare space, and I was really kind of wondering what another layer of this jelly polish would look like over those hearts that we already did. So at this point, you could totally stop and just keep it how it is, or you could keep going and adding more hearts. But overall, super fun, and just another way to utilize those really fun, trendy gel polishes. All right, so we cured those white hearts, and now we're going in with one more layer of that jelly polish here, and then we're gonna cure for 30 seconds, and you can see it's so fun. It really looks cool. It kind of almost looks like a little bit of a 3D effect as well. But I really like the different layers of hearts and how the color changes just ever so slightly. All right, so I finished up with a layer of gel top coat and cured, and here's what the finished nail looks like. It's super fun, really easy, a quick idea for Valentine's Day if you are still trying to debate what you're gonna do and have some jelly polishes and white polish laying around. This is a great option. Also, you can use tons of different colors with this. I went ahead and finished up some other nails here to rock a really fun jelly Valentine's Day set with some other jelly colors, so you can kind of see the difference here. That dark blue is everything, and then you have pink, red, we have that lighter blue, and I will say There is something about that jelly yellow. I love that jelly yellow. It is just, it's so fun. It's reminding me of like those jelly kind of sandals. But I think this collection is super fun and it's just another way to utilize it by adding some really fun nail art and then layering some more nail art on top of it. Just overall, a really fun way to get into that Valentine's Day spirit. And it's kind of like you have some heart-shaped candy nails here, like hard candy. All right, so everything that we did use in today's video can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this simple jelly style nail art, and I'll see you all in the next one.